Hi there. Today I'll be sharing an experience with you on polishing dead 2K paintwork, or some would call it oxidized paintwork. The answer to this is actually no, technically you cannot polish this, but if you want to find out why you cannot polish this, I'll be doing a test today and I'm really excited to share the results with you, so stay tuned and find out. Okay, so I have a seriously oxidized 2K paintwork here. I will be removing with Perfect 50 and the denim pad. I will tip it up and so I can show you a 50-50 after I do it. Just tip it more to this side and I'll be working all the way until here. Wow, doing this the old school style, man. Rotary with wool. Wow, pick up the polish, man. Did you see that? Say what? Nine days later, oxidations came back, and even though I've polished it, or I have used IPA to remove all polishing oils, the same has happened, and it happened again. This part wasn't polished. These two parts wasn't polished. It's oxidized heavily, and this starting it starts to came back, like oxidized a little bit back. So I want to explain that actually this is beyond oxidation. This is what we call clear coat failure. Clear coats technically shouldn't oxidize. Back then, before they had what we call a single stage paint, it was used in cars a long time ago. Single stage paint tends to oxidize easily. The industry introduced clear coats to be sprayed on single stage paint. They call it 2K clear coats, 1K clear coat, whatever it is to actually protect the paint from oxidizing. So clear coat with good UV protections technically does not oxidize. However, there are good quality clear coats and there are poor quality clear coats. One that has high UV resistance are usually more expensive. The cheaper ones will sort of give you results sort of like will oxidize or will fail eventually 6 months or 1 year later. And yeah, if customers or if you have a car with this problem, the first thing to rectify is you can try polishing it, see if you can remove it and see whether the oxidations come back or not. If it does come back, sorry to say you have to have it repainted. Use a good quality paint this time. If for some reasons the oxidation occurs and you manage to polish it and it doesn't come back, well, good for you. So that's all I got to share with you today. If you like in-depth talk like this in the future, remember to subscribe to our channel. And if you like this video, please share it with your friends. I'll see you next time. Time for comments! And I'm back with a little more casual method now. I will address you guys in the comments. And I thank you for great comments. Okay, first video from Bruins, B-R-E-W-I-N-Z. Says, nice demo, the repaint was horrible. Yeah, in Malaysia, maybe not just Malaysia, anywhere in the world, if you don't pay a lot of money, the paint job is going to go really, really bad. Don't stinge on painting. If you're going to paint, tip the guy. Get a better painter. Go for the painter and not for the paint to get a good job done. Horrible painter, with the best paint will make your car look like my car just now, right? So yeah, look for the painter. And thank you for the comment. Comment number 2, Mr. Mad Max. He says, dude, you deserve more subs, great channel, more informative vids in the future. Yeah, I know, right? But yeah, I deserve more subs. Maybe, yeah, but I think like maybe because I'm an Asian guy with a weird accent. Cool accent, you sound like you're from the island. I don't know what the hell this guy say half of the time, but damn, he's good. Turn on the road tree, damn fast way. You said something interesting about tuning the machine to 3 and what the could anybody understand any guy this said? I understood like towards the whole video. Can't understand shit he's saying. Directions unclean, dick stuck in tailpipe of car. Send help. People don't take me for real, or people don't understand me, so probably that's why I don't get as much sub as I think I should get. But yeah, I'm working hard, sharing more information, hoping to create more awareness in detailing, getting more people to come on board, detail their car, and yeah, just start washing their car. Thank you. Was it number 3? Comment number 3 from Kevin Noche, N-O-C-H-E. But anyway, it says, such great videos. I hope your channel goes far. Big fan from the Philippines. Thank you, detailer from the Philippines. If you do come to Malaysia, please visit our showroom here in Kapong, Northern KL, Kuala Lumpur. Drop us a text and we'll see how we can meet up or something. Alright, comment number 4 from Chris Williams. It says, I've watched loads of videos on buffing, cutting, polishing and hologram removal, but watching your demonstration nailed it for me. I was going to do a ceramic top sealant, but a bit concerned because my super black paintwork had many holograms. I tried your method and bingo, all the souls and ghosting disappeared. I've now done the ceramic coating and it's pretty much perfect. Thanks again. Thank you for the very encouraging comment. I feel really proud. I feel really happy to be able to answer your questions or to get you to your desired results. And yeah, comments like yours really encourage me to do more videos. So thank you, Chris Williams. And that's all for comment review today. See you guys next time for real again. Bye bye.